Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually change the default password of your advanced S2 decoder. So let's say the default password is too simple for you. The default password have to be 4 zeros. So if you want to change it to a different one, just tap on your menu button on your remote, and here you come to the system settings and you come down to the lock control option over here and you press OK on it. Alright, so here we have change password at the down of the list. Okay, so you press OK on it and it's requesting for the old password, which is 4 zeros if no one have ever changed it. Alright, if you enter 4 zeros and it doesn't work, call upon the last installer that work on your decoder. So here you have to enter the new password. I'm using 111 and you confirm as well. Repeat it, 111. Alright, so you are done with it. Okay, so if you find this video helpful and you are new here, you got to do subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.